I always loved these day in the life videos, but I never thought that my life would be exciting enough to really capture one. But here I am. I started an Etsy shop about 3 months ago, and surprisingly, it's been doing pretty well. I got over 130 sales, plenty of reviews, and there's nothing passive about it. Originally, I thought starting a 3D print shop would be kind of passive, you set it and forget it, but I catch myself spending about 4 to 5 hours every day working on this stuff, and unfortunately, this channel is lacking because of it. Now, I'm about to hit 1,000 subscribers, which is incredible, but I haven't posted anything in months, and I'm sorry about that. Oh, on top of that, my wife just gave birth, and I have another daughter. It's incredible, but here I am. 4 to 5 hours every single day. It's amazing, making great money, got knife skills right there. And I want to know what you guys think. Should I start making Etsy content or small business, or kind of what I'm learning, what I'm making, all this stuff? Or should I just pivot on cybersecurity stuff and just, maybe not post as often, but focus on that? But yeah, thanks for watching. I really hope that you kind of enjoy this little overview and kind of narration. It's something new for me. And if you have any questions about this small business thing, let me know. I'd love to answer. And if you don't care about it, I'm sorry. I love you. Okay, bye.